Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you a new kit by Tessa, which is the Ephemera Gardens, and this is the fall winter invoice kit, and it's a big kit. Let me bring this up. We've got like 34 pages and then the ephemera, so there's quite a bit here. And so let's take a look. I printed on both sides. Now let me get you to where you can see both. Look at, isn't that beautiful? The image is so awesome. And then there's the back for that. And then we have this awesome coffee one. It says autumn up here. Beautiful vintage in the background. And then we have a plaid for that. Look at this. Isn't that pretty? It looks like it should be in a frame. It does not come with the white. That's my printer. I'm still learning this new printer. But it has a little sign here that says autumn. So pretty. And then we have an invoice on the back. I'll be cutting the white around that. And look at this page. So pretty. And then here's the back for that. Look at the barn and the truck, and it's blue. That's so cool. Look at the little birds on the back of the seat and all the pumpkins. So pretty. And then the back, nice writing spot. You can write on this too. Hudson Farms. That's funny, we live in Hudson. Hudson Farms for sale. Oh, and look. And then the back for that, great writing space. Look at this. Day and night. And then here's the back. There's so much detail. And then again, it's my printer that did the white. And then there's an invoice. I believe there are 3 invoices. Look at the barns. Oh, I love it. And I don't usually do autumn kits, but I like this kit, so I'm gonna make a journal. Lots of writing space there. Look at the butterfly on the car. There's lots of pages. Oh, here's some more writing. Look at the little cute kids on the bench. That's cute. There's a lot of pages in this journal. Love that. And then here's an invoice that I backed. It does come in the kit. Here's some tags. And I backed these. There's 2 sets of tags. And I backed these. I used brown on that one. And orange on this one. Which are in the kit. And then we have a envelope here. And I backed that. That comes in the kit. Another envelope. And I backed that. So there's lots of papers in this kit. So here's 2 pages of fussy cuts. Lots of fussy cuts. And that is the kit. Now I have a couple I misprinted. Tried to print on the back side. Like I said, I'm still learning the printer. So it was upside down on the other side. So I decided to back these onto 65-pound card, and I'm gonna cut this out and make it a pocket, probably with her too, a tuck spot. And then, you know, the same here. I might make this and use that for a belly band. I don't know. And use this for a tuck spot. So that's a good way to make some pockets for this kit. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed it. All of the links will be down below. And I will see you when we get to making something with it. Bye, y'all.